found Squiddy Dragon, and it's a very interesting moment. My cat is gonna catch a bird, hopefully, and we're gonna watch it on film. So, yeah, there he is. Full screen. Really bright. Maybe I should get a little closer. So it's gonna be really blurry for a second. I'm sorry. Maybe I should zoom out. There you go. So you can see the tank predator is loose. It's really interesting. Now my throat hurts, so sorry it's shaky. So you see, if I zoom in closer, trying to have a look. See up there, there's a bird. Yeah, there's a bird. Where is it? It's my brother. Squid on my hat. People are liking dogs, but I'm not sure. If you like dogs, this is not the... bird, I think. Oh, there's the red robin. Get a really close look. Let's try and get this. Oh yeah, you see that? There's the bird. There it is. It's not fake. It's actually, see, it's moved. And then I saw another one. What? Kitty cat. I think he's on the prowl for this one. Is different. Wait, is there one? Yeah, wait, I need to move over to the side. It's a lovely garden. And up there. There's just a bird there. It looks a lot better there. See this? There you go. There's a beautiful yellow house. I think it's yellow. Oh, look at Squid. He jumped. And then maybe another one. It's going to be shown up there. There's a worm's cat. Let's see. He's just lying there. There's another there. This is going to be a very calm episode. Sorry, but it has to be watching. Look at the cat. Oh wait, zoom out. Hello, Luigi. Have you remembered this camera? Do you know that you're on? AJ, just a camera, young. Stunt like you're famous. And now, I'm sorry that was a really fast, but I think Squiddy's found a new one. Find out what we're seeing. Sorry, so there's Squid. Maybe we should probably get around closer. I'm sorry, this is the bet. Give us comments and a thumbs up if you think Squiddy should have another video. And oh man, that was a sick move by Squid. Let's get him right here. Yeah, this is good. Look at this. I'm trying to see, where's the cat? Our cats have killed any, yeah. Sorry, but it's true. trying to get us bright. Oh my goodness. Let's get this really, really, really bright. Yeah, you see. Way too bright. There you go. Oh yeah, this is good. Oh wait, this is way too bright. Okay. Yeah, this is a good brightness. Good. So he's on the prowl, it seems. Seems like Squiddy on the prowl. It seems like he's trying to find a bird, but... Okay. Is AJ gonna do dramatics things? Where's AJ? Okay, so everyone's gonna... Okay. The brightness needs to go down. Okay, then do a little bit, way too... Sorry, I'm just messing with the light. So, here we go. Okay, so. William, could you take control? So that is Squid. So I named my cat Squid. And if you want to know more about my cat Squid, comment down below. Let's get 5 comments. That's I believe that this channel should get a lot more. So I'm hoping that we manage to maybe get a couple subscribers in my month of April. It still isn't April, but in a week time, as soon as it gets through this couple week, it's a week and a half. As soon as it gets through Friday, and then it's a whole week of school, and I'm pretty sure and then I think it's gonna be April, my birthday. There will be a video. I'm not sure. There will be my birthday countdown, because it will be it's gonna be great. So it's gonna be really good. I'm pretty sure, guaranteed that it's gonna be good. It's April, so yeah, it's gonna be AJ. Actually, I think she just disappeared. So the thing, we're on to that. She's over there. So the thing I'm hoping for today is to probably this is today's episode. I'm sorry I'm not doing all these episodes. Turn it back. Let me end this video. Oh, William? No, AJ, you do your thing. Suck on yourself. People are waiting for you. AJ? AJ says it's the Go Cat. Yeah. So, comment down below if there shall be, we might have votes for who, if you vote down below, which cat do you like more, Squid or AJ? Write it down, hashtag Team Squid or hashtag Squid, hashtag Squid, hashtag AJ. Comment down below. Also, I will probably show you in another video, but a sneak peek. I will be, me, my brother, and a friend, and we're making this kind of card game. So that will be a video, and I hope you really like it because we're making a nice card game. So let's get a lot of likes. I'm saying 10 likes. It depends because we have very little subscribers. So hopefully we could grow, and I'm hoping we could get a big number of subscribers because it seems like a year I get 10, and I really hope that lucky 2017 will be the best year, and we'll hopefully get a big amount of subscribers. Maybe more than 10. That's what I'm going for. More than 10, because that's how many, maybe 15 or 20. That would be the best. Or 100 or 50, or let's get somewhere higher. I want to be higher up the ranks because we are going very, very bad. And this is my iPad. But don't risk my iPad. So that's going to be how it is going to end. Leave comments for challenges maybe. I'll do something soon. So that was what I'm doing today. Please subscribe if you're new. Join me and others. And see you guys all later. Good.